why does Wooloo have such weird-looking eyes? Welcome back to Shelby on Safari, the place where I, a wild animal biologist and Pokemon trainer, often combine my passions into one. Wooloo is one of my favorite Pokemon, and its eyes are certainly mesmerizing. But why do they have such a weird shape? I'm going to use real-life animal biology to explain the Pokemon biology of Wooloo. So you ready? Join the safari and let's get started. Pupils come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The pupil is the point in which light enters the eye and results in the mind conjuring an image. The larger the pupil, the more sunlight shines through. Now, the pupil is involuntarily controlled by the iris, which constricts and dilates in order to regulate the amount of light that shines through to the cornea. Grazing animals like sheep and goats need to be able to have a wide field of vision to be able to look out for predators, which is why Wooloo's pupil shape and location of their eyes is so important. Having their eyes be more on the side of their head helps them to see nearly all around them. It is believed that elongated pupils, like the ones we see in Wooloo and sheep, allow for greater control of the amount of light entering the eye. With Wooloo having horizontal pupils, this enhances the amount of light they can receive in front of and behind them, while reducing the amount of light from above and below. This allows them panoramic vision along the ground to help detect predators as soon as possible, which is useful if they need to flee, or in the case of Wooloo, roll away. Now, one thing that Wooloo and sheep love to do is graze. Well, who doesn't love to eat? But what happens though when they bend down to graze? How do they still keep an eye on the horizon for potential predators? I'm glad you asked. Entering your cool word for the day, cyclovergence. When they bend down to eat, their eyes move in opposite directions by around 50 degrees. This happens so their pupil is aligned with the ground to allow for them to still keep a lookout. Isn't that cool? It is estimated that the field of vision for our real-life Pokemon, sheep, is between 270 and 320 degrees, whereas we humans only average about 155 degrees. However, I find it strange as a Pokemon biologist that Mareep, another sheep Pokemon, doesn't have horizontal pupils, but rather round. Sounds like a video for another time. But to learn more about the amazing Wooloo Pokemon, be sure to check out my video here to keep your safari going. Leave this video a thumbs up if you too think Wooloo is rather adorable. Go on, you have to, because Wooloo is utterly adorable. Go on, click it. Click that thumbs up. Anyways, I'll see you in that video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!